In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch upload on Distrokid. If you're getting multiple tracks ready for release and want to handle everything in one smooth session, this walkthrough will help you move quickly while keeping your details organized and accurate. Start by going to Distrokid. Once you're on the site, head to the Upload Music area. This is where you'll build your release and, importantly, where you can set up multiple tracks at once. The upload page loads a single form that expands to include as many tracks as you need, so everything lives in one place while you work. On the upload form, look for the section labeled Number of Songs. This is the control that enables a batch upload. Decide how many tracks you plan to include in this release and choose that number. As soon as you select it, the page will generate a separate track section for each song. A quick tip before you proceed: gather your audio files and cover art in a single folder and make sure your file names clearly match your track titles. This makes it much easier to avoid mix-ups as you move through the form. You'll now see track 1 appear. Complete the information requested for this track. That typically includes the track title, the primary artist, and other details like language, contributors, and any content flags. Keep your metadata consistent and accurate, especially if these tracks belong together in a single release. Upload your cover art following standard guidelines like using a high-resolution, square image with clean edges. Then upload the audio file for this track. Use your final master and avoid re-encoding from compressed sources to preserve quality. Next, you'll see track 2. Fill out the same fields here exactly as you did for the first track, and upload the correct cover and audio. Repeat this process for each additional track until you've completed all of the sections. Move methodically from top to bottom, and double-check titles, artist names, and any identifiers so they match across tracks where needed. If all songs share the same cover art, use that same file for each track to maintain a uniform look. If each track has unique art, confirm that every image lines up with the correct song. When every track section is filled out and each audio file is in place, you've completed your batch setup. That's the entire process. Go to Distrokid, choose Upload Music, set the number of songs, and then work through each track's details, cover and audio included, until everything is finished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a faster, cleaner workflow for your next multi-track release.